Welcome to Make Made Simple. Today we will be doing replacing a force by a moment example. So we have a rigid body here which is hinged at one end, and we have a force F minus 600 Newton J cap applied here at point A, say. Then we have to replace this force by a moment here such that the whole system will be as same as the first case. So I'll draw a moment here. This moment will be produced by a force here, and we know that m vector equals m about O. Let's say this point is O. So mo vector equals d dot f equals d is 0.18 centimeter and f is 600. Now this vector is in clockwise sense, that is inside the plane of the board. So that is in the z cap direction. So we have MO equals 108 Newton meter Z cap. So this force F is replaced by another force here, such that the moment caused by this force is 108 Newton meter Z cap. Now in the second example, example number 2, this is example number 1. We have we'll have to displace this force F from here to here, but in this case we already have a moment here which is minus 40 Newton meter in the clockwise sense. So how will we do that? Just simply we will say MO equals minus 40, that is already present here, plus this, and this is in the clockwise sense, so it will be in minus direction. This was minus here, minus here, minus here, and minus here. 108 Newton meter. So this is MO equals to minus 40 minus 108 Newton meter. That will give us minus 148 Newton meter K cap. Then we have this force here, this moment here, this moment here and a force here, which will have to displace this force in this direction. This is number 3. We have to displace this force in this direction such that this force acts like this, and we have to know this distance d. We have to know this distance d. So we know the moment that is acting, that is minus 80 Newton meter. So I'll write it here. Moment about O vector equals minus 80 Newton meter K cap. Moment about O vector equals minus dF. That's the formula. And d will have then minus mo over f, that is equals to minus 80 over 60 minus 80 here by here. Mo is minus 80 over 60. So that will be equal to 1.33 meter. So this distance d equals 1.33 meters. So that was all for today. Thank you for listening. If you have liked the video, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel, Make Made Simple. Thank you for listening. Let's meet in the next video.